Good morning, dear students. I hope all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Last class we discussed about word problems on linear equations. In this class we are going to learn the next chapter, life mathematics. What is life mathematics? Can anyone say? In our day-to-day life, every concepts, every matter is dealing with our mathematics. When we buy a pen, when we buy a motorcycle, or when we traveling in a bus, everything deals mathematics in our daily life. So in this class we are going to learn the important topic, profit and loss. In every life, in our every situation or anything, business, institutions, we need some profit to run a life. Likewise, in this class you should know what is profit, what is loss. Then what is GST, very important topic, what is GST, and marked price and discount. So these topics we are going to discuss in this class. Okay, let's move on to the class. Okay, first, before going to the profit and loss, you should know the two prices. What are they? Already you learned in the 7th standard. What is CP and SP? CP is cost price. Cost price means what? An article is bought. That means in Tamil, ஒரு பொருளை வாங்கும்போது அந்த உண்மையான ரேட், அதை வாங்குறதுக்கு உண்மையான ரேட் வந்து என்னது, அது வந்து நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம், காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ். செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் மீன்ஸ் an article is to be sold. that means விற்கிறது. ஓகேவா, அந்த ப்ராடக்டை நம்ம அதை மேலே ஏற்றி அந்த அமௌண்ட்டை ரைஸ் பண்ணி சேல் பண்ணுறது தான் என்னது, செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ், this is selling price. So bought, here sold. If cost price is less than, that means the selling price is greater than cost price, means that value is called profit. For example, the cost of one apple is 10 rupees. The selling price of one apple is 20 rupees, means resultant value is profit. Already you know. Okay, so the formula is what? SP minus CP. Next, when CP is greater than SP, when CP is greater than SP, that means cost price is 40, selling price should be 20, means the resultant value is less, that means loss. Okay, so this situation it is called loss. So the formula is CP minus SP. So this is loss formula. Already you learn. Next, what is profit percentage? How to find profit percentage? Profit divided by CP into 100. Okay, important formula. Profit percentage is always calculated by CP itself, not SP, CP. So the formula is profit divided by CP into 100. Same for loss percentage, loss by CP into 100. Okay, so this is loss percentage. Okay, profit percentage, loss percentage. What is the important point here? Profit percentage or loss percentage is always calculated on cost price only, divided by cost price only. Okay, CP equal to, that term is going to reciprocal, 100 by 100 plus profit into SP. Same, CP equal to 100 minus loss percentage into SP. Okay, so these formulas are so these are the formulas we used in the upcoming sums and the exercise 4.2. Okay, 4.1 is reduced by the government, so I omitted 4.1. 4.2 exercise will be followed. Okay, the next topic, discount. Already you learned the topic. During the festival seasons, the shops offers a discount to attract the customers or to clear the old stock items. Okay, so discount, that way discount is happening. Okay, next, what is the formula for discount? Before going to the discount, you should know the important point, marked price. What is marked price? In every shop, every product has a price. That price means the tag price. Every product has a tag price. For example, for a tag, MRP is 100. Your price is 90. You save 10. So what is the meaning? So this MRP, this price is called, this MRP price is called marked price. This your price is called selling price. This you save price for you save price is called discount. So here the discount is 10 rupees. The selling price is 90 rupees. The original price, that marked price is 100. So the formula is discount equal to MP minus SP. MP minus SP. MP equal to what? The SP goes to that side. Discount plus SP. Next, selling price is what? I need SP only. So discount goes to that side. MP minus discount. Here also discount percentage is there. What is the formula for discount percentage? Already I told in the cost price and selling price. Profit percentage. What is the profit percentage formula? Profit by CP into 100. It is calculated by cost price. Here it is always calculated by which price? Marked price. So discount percentage equal to discount by MP, discount by MP into 100. Okay, so this is discount. Okay, so again I repeat, discount equal to MP minus SP, MP equal to discount plus SP, SP equal to MP minus discount, discount percentage equal to discount by MP into 100. Next topic, overhead expenses. What is overhead expenses? For example, in a shop we are buying some washing machine or any TV, fridge, some transportation charges may apply. For example, a washing machine, uh, 40,000 or 30,000 means it's the original MRP price. Washing machine 40,000. For transportation charge, rupees 450 means that charge is called overhead expenses. Some repair charges or some transportation charges or any service charges. So these charges are called overhead expenses. That means the total price equal to the overhead expenses also added to the original price. Okay, so that charges is called overhead expenses. Okay, in every shop they are buying a goods or selling a goods, they need some transportation charges or service charges. So these charges are called overhead expenses. Okay, the next topic is GST. Already you learned and know about the GST. What is the full form of GST? Goods and service tax. Goods and service tax. Goods and service tax. GST is the main source of income to central government and state government. GST is equally shared by central government and state government. For example, you buy a washing machine for 40,000 means, so GST is 12% means for that product. So it is equally shared by central government and state government. For example, CGST means central government goods and service tax. Central goods and service tax is of 6% and state GST is 6%. Okay, for washing machine GST 12% means 6% goes to central government and 6% goes to state government. Okay, so there are three types of GST. One CGST and second one is SGST, third one is IGST. IGST means integrated goods and service tax. Okay, so it is a common tax for all customers or retailers, traders. Okay, for domestic consumption. Okay, it is a few products are accepted from this GST. There are egg, honey, milk, petrol, diesel, liquor, so something etc. Okay, so few products are exception. Okay, so this is known as GST. Okay, goods and service tax. If selling an article for rupees 820 causes 10% loss on the selling price. Find its cost price. இப்போ இந்த கொஸ்டின் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, ஒரு ஆர்டிக்கிளை செல் பண்ணுறான், ஏதாவது ஆர்டிக்கல் ஏதோ பொருள் அதை வந்து விற்கும் போது எவ்வளோ விற்கிறான்னா 820 ருபீஸ் விற்கிறான். அவனுக்கு எவ்வளோ லாஸ் ஆகுது? 10% லாஸ் ஆகுது. அப்படி லாஸ் ஆனால் காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் என்ன, அந்த ஆர்டிக்கிளோட காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் என்ன, அதுதான் நம்மளோட கொஸ்டின். அதான் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 820, லாஸ் 10%. Okay, so loss percentage is 10%. We want to find cost price. So what is the formula for cost price when selling price is given and loss percentage is given? What is the formula? Selling price, cost price equal to 100 by 100, here is loss, so minus loss percentage into selling price. So this is the formula. So next 100 by 100 minus 10 into SP. SP is 820. So 100 by 90 into 820. So 10 is 10 cancel. Here 9 is there, here 82. So divide 82 divided by 9. 9 9s are 81 divided by 82 minus 81, remainder 1, 0, point, 1 9s are 9, again 1, 0. So it going on. So the cancellation is 9.11. So 100 into 9.11. So here 2 zeros are there. So you have to move 2 places in the right side. So the answer is 911. Okay. So rupees 911. So the cost price is rupees 911. By selling a speaker for 768 rupees, a man loses 20%. In order to gain 20%, how much should he sell the speaker? So இந்த கொஸ்டினோட மீனிங் வந்து என்னென்னா, ஒரு ஸ்பீக்கரை செல் பண்ணுறான், 768 ருபீஸுக்கு செல் பண்ணுறான். பட் ஆனால் வந்து லாஸ் ஆகிறான். எவ்வளோ லாஸ் ஆகுறான்னா 20% லாஸ் ஆகிறான். ஆனால் வந்து நான் லாஸ் ஆகக்கூடாது, திருப்பி நான் கெயின் ஆகணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு இன்னொரு 20% வந்து கெயின் பண்ணுறான். அப்படி கெயின் பண்ணால் அவன் வந்து அந்த ஸ்பீக்கரை எவ்வளோ விலைக்கு விற்றுருப்பான், அதுதான் வந்து கொஷின். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து நம்ம இதில் வந்து காஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் நம்ம செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். செல்லிங் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து எவ்வளோ இதுக்கு 768, லாஸ் வந்து எவ்வளோ 20, சிபி ஈக்குவல் டு சேம் ஃபார்முலா 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. So 100 by 100 minus loss is 20% into SP 768. 100 by 80 into 768. So here 10 is cancelled. In 8 table 8 9s are 72, remainder 4, 48 how many times? 6 times. So 10 into 96, so 960. 960 is cost price. So we want to know the selling price. Okay, so selling price, what is the formula for selling price? 100 plus gain 20%. Gain is again gain is 20%. So 100 by gain, profit same meaning, divided by 100 into CP. So 100 plus profit 20 divided by 100 into 960. I write here. So 100 plus 20, 120 into 100 into 960. So here 10 10 is cancelled, here 10 10 is cancelled. 12 into 96, multiply 12 into 96, 9 2s are 12, sorry 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1 72. Next 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 9 1s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 2, 7 plus 8 15, remainder 1, 1152. So the selling price of the speaker is 1152 by the profit of 20%. Okay. The third question, marked price. MP means marked price, rupees 225, selling price equal to X, discount equal to 8%. So here we want to find discount as a amount. Here only percentage is given. So what is the formula for discount percentage? Discount by MP into 100. So what is discount percentage? 8. Discount did not know. Divided by MP 225 into 100. Here we want to, here we only find, we know discount only. So 8, the 100 goes to divide, 225 goes to multiplication. So 8 into 225 divided by 100 equal to discount. So cancelling on fourth table, 4 2s are 8. So 2 here, again 4 2s are 8, remainder 2, 4 5s are 50, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 25. So here 25, here 225, 25 9s are 225. So here discount equal to 2 into 9, 18, 18 rupees discount. Here we want to find selling price. Okay, what is the formula for selling price? MP minus discount. So 225 rupees, 225 minus rupees 18. What is the value? 207. Okay, so the selling price is 207. Fourth sum, find the total bill for school bag and hair dryer. First, school bag, the marked price 500, discount 5%, GST 12%. Hair dryer, marked price 2000, discount 10%, GST 28%. First we want to find what is discount, then we minus the marked price, we will get the selling price. Next we want to find the GST, then add the both values. Okay, first school bag, marked price equal to 500, discount 5%. So we want to find discount. So 5% of marked price 500. So 5 by 100 into 500. So 0 0 cancel, 5 5s are 25. So the discount is 25. Next, selling price MP minus discount. So MP is 500 minus 25, 475. So this is selling price. Next, for this amount you have to find GST. GST is 12%. So GST equal to 12% of 475. So 12 by 100 into 475. Cancelling on fifth table 2, 0. Here 9 5s are 45, remainder to 95. Again cancelling on which table? 5 table, 4 times, here 1, remainder 4, 45 means 9 times, 19. Here 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 19, 57. So the GST amount is 57. It should be added into SP. So total price for the bag 475 plus GST 57 equal to 7 plus 5 12, remainder 1, 7 plus 5 again 12, 13, remainder 1, 4 plus 1 5. So the school bag is 532. The total price for school bag is 532. Next, hair dryer. Hair dryer MP equal to 2000, discount equal to 10%. So discount equal to 10% of 20,000. So 10 by 100 into 20,000, 2000, 0 cancel. So discount is equal to 200. You want to subtract into marked price, you will get SP, MP minus D. So 2000 minus 200, 1800. Next, GST 28%. So find GST 28% for 1800. So 28 divided by 100 into 1800, cancel, 28 into 18. So 28 into 18, 8 8s are 64, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 28, 4, 0, 1, 504. So GST equal to 504. So it should be added into SP. So total price 1800 plus 504. So 2304. Okay, 1800 plus 500, 2300 plus 4, 2304. So they have to find. We have to find total bill. We have to find total bill. So we have to add the both school bag and so total bill equal to so price of school bag plus price of hair dryer. The total price. So this is the 532 is the school bag amount plus 23404 is hair dryer. So add both values, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 0 3, 5 plus 3 8, 2. So the total bill is 2836. So So in this class we have learnt first cost price, selling price and profit and loss. Next marked price, discount, GST. So work out the sums and practice the sums. Okay, we will meet on next class. Thank you students.